What it do, 32 gang? It's your boy CJ on 32s checking in with another video. Y'all already know what today is, Friday shop flow workflow, man. Ain't too much going on around here, but we got a crazy car in the back that we putting some brand new Rucci wheels on, so y'all gotta stay tuned for that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek that we gonna walk back there. We got a customer all the way from Indianapolis down here getting his wheels. What's up? What's going on, man? You ready to get that car and get back on the road?
I am.
All right, for sure. We're gonna get you right.
Right on.
Right on, man. You ready? Boom, 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 boom. What we got going on back here? We got off-road Al. Barely working on the 740. And we got some playing back here. Let me just run over here real quick, guys, and hit these tunes real fast. You know what I'm talking about. Y'all already know how that go. But yeah, we got the BMW about to get mounted up. I can't show y'all the wheels yet, man. We got a garage full of BMWs. Got the calibers painted black.
There's some modifications.
Uh-oh, Mr. Modifications Al, I'm scared. I'm scared for him.
Somebody comes, don't bother me right now.
What'd you say? Somebody come, don't bother you. What? Huh? You the boss, you the owner. I gotta bother you.
I'm busy.
Nah. So this the project for the day, guys. Can't wait to see the wheels on. It's gonna be epic. Al still ain't got his wheels back from the powder coater yet. So yep, 32 gang, that's the move. So if you're here just watching the video, make sure you tune in for the whole video. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video on all platforms. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you click that notification bell to join the 32 gang. Just in here having a nice little conversation. As y'all know, Big Boo Jaden backed out of Vegas with us. Al is over here getting on his ass. Straight, that's what, man, you probably lucky you don't gotta sit next to this guy on the plane for 4 hours, man.
Why? I'm the most entertaining person out there.
You talk too damn much. He'll wake you up, then he get his little drinking, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Remember them guys last year, what was that, last year or the year before? The Polish dudes that was up in front of us, man, they was messed up.
Oh, drinking the whole bottle?
Oh yeah, all you smelled was alcohol on the plane, so you know.
All right, 32 gang, are you guys ready for this one? You guys drove all the way from Indianapolis.
All right, guys, let's go back here and check it out.
That's right here.
Da, 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 da.
Bam.
Bam! We got the Ruccis on a big boy.
24 by 9s in the front with the 255 25 24
Blacking machine.
with the split caps.
Wait, is this the tire that was on the Impala?
Yep, the front ones, but the rear ones are 275.
Man, how come they sit different than the Impala? My Impala had more lip out on the side.
They're 24 by 9, 24 by 10.
Same thing. Just that tire just looked different. It looked bigger.
Quit trying to blame it on your top over
Oh, okay. Oh, he got him. Okay. Had to make sure, man. You just riding the right way. Nice. This is nice. Check it out, guys. We got to get some driving footage of Al going in and putting it in the front.
Cutting and trimming on there. Well, cutting, right.
Well, you did it. So anything happened, he's on. He did it. That's right. You gonna pull it out, Al?
BMW 740.
This thing is nice.
Yep.
Nice, nice.
The brush and the black.
You like it, man? You do?
I like it.
What made you take your Forgiatos off and go Rucci?
Trash.
Oh, you messed them up? This thing is nice, 32 gang. Man. What you say? So what tire you running in the rear?
275, 23, 24.
It's wider?
We get that better traction on there.
Okay. So what we gonna run on my wheels this time?
Do what?
Some 13s.
Okay, bet. Got you. Stunner Reese 13s. for his Yale cat. Al representing, man. You know that's supposed to be a Crusader shirt on, not no Rucci shirt.
Rucci?
No, Crusader shirt.
I know.
Yeah, fire.
I was sweating because I've been working.
I done fired this dude 3 times today. What the hell he still doing here, man? Huh?
I don't know, man. Working hard.
No, you ain't working hard. You fired. I fired his ass 3. Al, tell him, man, if I fire him, he gotta go. What you think, Boots? Clean? Black? Black and brush. Let me see that chop motion. Oh, watch out for that jack. Boy, you know Al cheap. You ain't gonna get no money. What y'all think, 32 gang? I need the whole 32 gang to get in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about the BMW. This boy like a big spaceship. It look real good with the 24s. It fit the wheel well so good on there. Man, real good. Man, your boy might need him a luxury car. Al, you gonna pull it out? Hold on, you know the heat on for once in a million years.
But that was like the first years, yeah. And
Boots, you ain't even see my wheels, did you? You see my wheels? Come back here, check it out. Take a quick sneak peek. Tell me what you think. Like them? Them gonna be chopping. Really good. Chopping, man. Welcome to that 3-piece life.
I'm trying to get there.
You're gonna get there next year. You're gonna be rolling. Almost that time, man. We're gonna pick the car up tomorrow, so I gotta make sure Al got some tires around here.
Especially on the highway. Like these, I would try to stay off the highway. Especially when you're going like 70 miles per hour, you like one good one. You want me to pull up? You want me to pull up on the trailer for you?
I can pull it over. You can't that back.
Nah, I think you better do it. Trust me. Something go wrong. He done the job, man. Just let him pull it on the trailer, man. Don't let him do it. It's gonna be honest. You letting out all to eat. Dang, it's kind of chilly out there. Yeah, at least that snow melted one day. Look at it, thirsty Al. Chop, chop. Well, guess it wasn't no escaping the water.
Getting dirtier.
He chopping. He chopping. Look real good. Man, what in the... Oh, man, I think it's just... What in the hell wrong with his car? Man, what is that? That your car?
It's the third box, man.
Oh, man.
Got a rattling catalytic converter, falling steering bushings ready to fall out. Oh, man, can't go faster than 60. Love it.
Love it?
Yep, gotta love it.
Man, got his Al shades on and everything. What am I talking? You got a talking car.
It's preaching to me. It's saying, just let me die.
Hey, gotta get you a Chevy, man. Get you an old Thotmobile.
Oh yeah, that would be awesome.
Yeah, we got Boots out here with that Chevy Cruze, sitting on 22s. He still insists on building his car into a show car.
Yeah, I was actually gonna say, do you want me to calculate my hours and everything, and then
Calculate your hours? Where the hell you going?
I gotta do.
Oh, no, you fired. He's fired, Al. We don't need him no more. I'm coming back full time. Give y'all this quick walk around game. Big boy status right here. I ain't see the 4Gs he had on here. He brought it with stock. But y'all know what it is, man. People still boating up, even in the wintertime. Right here at Crusader Customs. Gonna get you right. Oh, look what's in the window. What you over there talking about, Jay? Goodbye. Prepare to win. Al over there cutting checks, man. We can't get that on camera, y'all. Al cutting them $1 million checks. But anyway, 32 gang, make sure you like the video. Make sure you share the video. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the BMW. This your boy, CJ on 32s, checking out with another video. I'm out, man.